Week 4 topic. This week topic involves layout sin. An amateur designer can easily make mistakes in design. Layout sins discussed in Chapter 4 gives us the 13 common mistakes or errors novice designers tend to make and what can be done differently. For example, oftentimes amateur designers tend to centering everything, using many font styles, missing or cheating margins, or making backgrounds too busy. So instead of centering context or body, designing with columns can help trick viewers' eyes into reading more than they might otherwise. Making the visual a welcome sign to the layout is also recommended. As discussed in our work every time layout, pairing two different fonts that play well together is best. By choosing an interesting font for the headline and an easy to read font for the body copy. When it comes to design, keep the 13 layout sins in check. Many times learning from mistakes help we do better. Check them out and see what you might have done and would do differently. Additionally, one thing a designer should keep in mind is feedback. Feedback is what a designer needs. Surely, not getting constructive criticism may ease our feelings, but we wouldn't know what we did well or what we could improve. Well, not all feedbacks are constructive. As a designer, we must look at feedback constructively. The constructive feedback table in this unit should help you shape how you think about constructive review. Have a good read. See you in our discussion forum.